I'm at the Atlanta airport.
It's bright and early at JFK.
We're so excited to come to San Fran! Woo!
See you soon, Sephora.
The mission of our Accelerate program is to support female founders who were historically underrepresented, even in our industry. It is all about using our strengths for greater good to see these women succeed and thrive. This year's group is incredible. We have 13 women from 7 different countries. It's the first time we've included Europe and Asia.
I have never been to the US before, and well, I come here to achieve my dream, so it's exciting.
We created a curriculum that's very focused on the beauty industry, and we pair each entrepreneur with a mentor who's supporting them throughout this program. And it's really exciting to see those aha moments during those sessions.
This mentor is going to follow us for 1 year, so she can really see at every single part of the journey how things are going. And having a mentor is the best thing I have in my path.
Sephora is the gold standard in beauty, and we know how many experts there are at Sephora, experts in packaging, expert in marketing, experts in supply chain.
I say it's like an MBA. It's a huge, huge feat that Sephora has offered us to be able to be in that position, to have such knowledge at our fingertips.
Every event has been planned to extreme detail, and I knew it was going to be a really great program, but it's definitely greatly exceeding even my very high expectations.
We all have hopes and dreams, and it's just been inspiring to see these women actually go for their dreams, and I can't wait to see what these incredible women do in the future. #GirlBoss.
Something that I love about the Accelerate program is that they are focused on having more female representation at the table. It's amazing also to be around other empowered females.
Also just hope that kind of what this inspires is kind of the next generation of founders, whatever age they may be, sees this and thinks, you know what? I don't have to be afraid. I can go after my dreams. I can create this business. I can do it.